YouTube, what's really good? It is your guy Hitch. I recently did a review on these beautiful Marsh Green 992s. If you have not seen that video, go and check it out. I am a big fan of the 992, and this colorway I think is perfect for the summer. And being that New Balance is cracking open that 992 vault, I think it's the right time to give you guys a lacing tutorial. I personally have 3 pairs. They're all laced up the same way. And if you need to lace yours up the right way, you came to the right spot. So grab your pair and let's get to it.
Before you begin your lacing process, you always want to make sure the laces are taken out first completely. And I don't have my foot in here just because typically trying to get into the first set of eyelets, it can be a little bit tough with my foot in there. So we're gonna get those first eyelets taken care of, and then I'll get my foot in and we'll get this thing going. So step 1, take each of your lace tips, and what you want to do is start from the outside of the lace eyelet and go in on both sides. Once you've done that, now you really just want to make sure the laces are even and flat.
Pour a few shots, tell her chug a lug, chug a lug, chug a lug. Roll another Dutch. If she with it, then we boning in the tub. That's a rubber.
Now I'll put my foot in the sneaker and we'll continue everything from there.
To the money, I can't fall in love. Chase another bag, one is not enough. Nah.
So now what we want to do is you're going to move up to lace eyelet 2, 3, and stop. And the way we're going to get there is going from the inside to the out.
All this pain got me traumatized. Bullets through the window like piranha size. Fuck a 9 to 5 in a suit and tie. My dog still getting euthanized. Still ducking.
Now I personally like to skip a lace eyelet or 2 just because I normally wear my sneakers a bit more on the loose and comfortable side. The lace eyelet we're going to skip is going to be number 4, and we're going to finish on number 5.
Tonight, those criminals still on the loose.
Still ducking from the one time. Hey, yo, that look like one time. Pocket racket for a nigga trying to take mine.
The last thing we do before we tie these, again, I like to wear my sneakers a little bit more loose. So what you'll notice here is I've given myself a little bit of hang time. And once it meets what I like and everything's nice and comfortable, because the last thing you want to do is have the 2 sides touching. That looks crazy. Now we're just gonna tie them up.
Steve 3, Cola 16, Austin, my spit monster type of nigga laughing a gauntlet. I light up a rocket and I feel
this gives me the nice casual, loose look that I enjoy. And that's it.
I hope this lacing tutorial is not only easy but helpful to you guys, and that you guys really did enjoy the video. And if you did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. I also have a plethora of lacing tutorials and just overall sneaker tutorials that you can check out in the playlist that's behind me. And I have more lacing tutorials on the way, I can promise you that. So if you don't want to miss those videos when they drop, make sure you're hitting that bell notification so you can get notified when those videos release. Also, if there's a lacing tutorial for a sneaker that you need or that you want and I have not done so already, hit the comments, let me know what that sneaker is, and I'll do my best to get it done for you. I'm out.
Fuck a double cup. They throwing shade, niggas muscle tough. It's like every day a homicide. Bullets through the window like piranha size. Fuck a 9 to 5 in a suit and tie. We just wake up in this winning time. All this pain got me traumatized. Bullets through the window like piranha size. Fuck a 9 to 5 in a suit and tie. My dog still getting euthanized. Still ducking from the one time. Hey, yo, that look like one time. Pocket racket for a nigga trying to take mine. Tell the labels that it's pay time.